In this video, we'll show you how to pick non-batch tracked goods in the Warehouse Management app. Say you're in Unleashed and you've placed a sales order. This sales order will be synced to the Warehouse Management app and the products in the order will be ready for picking. In the app, click on the Pick tile to view the sales orders that you've placed. When you click on a sales order, you'll see the list of products to pick. Click on Start Picking to begin. Let's skip on the tote assignment for now. On your first item, you can see that you'll need to pick 30 of this product. Click on the Scan Product barcode. If the product barcode you scanned is correct, your product quantity will increment by 1. You can further increment the quantity using the plus button, or simply click on the input to enter using your keypad. Click Confirm Pick to proceed to the next item. When all of your items in your sales order have been picked, your picking is complete. In the Picked tab, you can view all the completed sales orders with the order details. Need to resume a picking task? Head to the In Progress tab and locate your order. You'll see which items you've already picked. Then tap Resume Picking to continue from where you stopped. Now you know how to pick non-batch goods in the Unleashed Warehouse Management app. Thanks for watching.